What's good, ski y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean here, back with another video, man. And look, chat, y'all are probably wondering, you know what I'm saying, why I got on a different outfit. Y'all gonna wonder why I got on a different outfit in the video. That is because I'm recording this intro later than when I recorded the actual video. I recorded an intro for that video, but I got no sound. I don't know why, don't know how that happened, I have no clue. But as you guys can see, the MST is installed and it sounds amazing. I can't wait to be able to give it a nice little test drive, you know what I'm saying? So, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video. You guys will see me step by step walking through everything that I did to install it. I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips and everything like that, the before and after. So make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on the video if you guys enjoy it. Drop a comment with the next mod you guys wanna see and enjoy the video. We gone. All right, chat. So before we pop the hood, I forgot to show y'all that we do have the MST intake. So I'm gonna set you guys right here on the ground really quick. So like I said, chat, we got our MST intake. This is my first time opening it. So I hope everything's in there. And chat, this is our first performance mod that we're doing. I'm excited, I'm happy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I've been itching to get into the performance mods. So it comes with filter of the head, couplings. Yep, that's everything that we need. And this is all the stuff that we need right here, along with this should be the heat shield here. Yeah, we got our heat shield. So everything that it comes with is here. I'll show you guys real quick. That's everything that MST provides, all the couplings, heat shield, the filter, clamps, and everything like that. So now we're gonna go pop the hood and let's start taking off everything that we need, you know what I'm saying, to get this started, you know. And before we even do that, chat, I'm gonna give you guys a sound clip really quick. Hopefully the car does start up. It has been a while since I've started the car, I ain't gonna lie. The car also has been shutting off, so let's pray that this thing starts up. Let's see. It started. Nice. All right, so we're gonna do some baby revs inside the car. Let's close the door. I wanna give you guys a sound clip of before and after. So I'm gonna give you guys some revs of inside the car, outside the car. We'll start working, show y'all step by step everything that I do, and then once I get everything installed, I'll do the same thing again, give y'all revs on the inside and on the outside, and that'll conclude the video. So without further ado, let's see what it sounds like from the inside. All right, y'all, so that's basically what the car sounds like before we install the MST. It's not too bad, you know what I'm saying, but I know when we install this MST, it's gonna sound amazing, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up. We're gonna start taking off everything as far as the old intake box, you know what I'm saying, these braces, heat shields, and PVC pipes and everything like that. All that stuff has to go, you know what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and get into the uninstall part. I'm gonna let y'all see that right now. All right, first things first, we're gonna remove this brace right here. Chat, this shouldn't be too much of a hassle to install this. I think the hardest part may be fitting everything up, but I think I should be able to handle it. So we're gonna start by removing this. This is a 16 mil Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's just move that out of the way. Set the bolt back in there so we don't lose it. And next, chat, just so y'all can see really quick, down there, y'all see the mass airflow sensor. We gotta disconnect that. Then we're gonna just disconnect the air box over there. We're gonna disconnect all of that plastic tubing. Mass airflow sensor has to go. Take off 6 mil or flathead, PVC pipe, 10 mil, this PVC pipe right here, and everything down there. So try to give you guys the best shot possible. It's just me, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to give you guys some close-ups and everything like that, but I'm gonna do the best that I can, chat. So we're gonna take this off. Easy, flathead screwdriver. Then we can take this one off, if you guys can see it. Just pinch the side and pull up. Easy work. This right here, there's little tabs on it. Same thing. Push all of them up and pull back. You gotta be careful with this, you don't wanna break it. And I also think there's one at the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there is. Boom. So that's disconnected. Once we get all this out of the way, now we can pop up the air filter. And I'm just gonna slide this whole thing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take the whole thing off at once. This is the old air box, big BMW air box. Put that to the side. Now we can take our flathead, take off this clamp here. We'll loosen it up. Pop up on that. Should slide right out. Then we have a grommet. Wiggle that off. There's that. We're gonna need this, so we're gonna put this to the side. You're gonna need your mass airflow sensor. Then there's also a little sensor that's a little lower. See if I can zoom in on it. That one right there. Gonna have to take that off as well. Slides right out. Put it to the side. Then we also have to take off this 10 mil here. Put that in our pocket as well. Then there's one more clamp down here that we have to take off. So we're gonna loosen that up with a flathead. That's loose. And you wanna be very careful when you're taking this one out so you don't break your PCV pipe. There we go. And we're gonna have to save this right here. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And now you guys can see, that's simple. Everything is off and out. Plugs are unhooked and everything like that. So now we're gonna get the transfer started because we have to save that piece there, and our mass airflow sensor. So we're gonna go back over there on the front porch and get all that switched up. All right, so we're gonna remove the mass airflow sensor. It's a T20. Put that in your screwdriver. Should be able to just take it right off. And MST did provide screws to replace this with. So we're not gonna use the old OEM screws. We're gonna use MSTs. Be gentle not to break it. Boom. So that one comes right out. Then we're gonna get this inlet that's for the mass airflow sensor. And this only goes in one way, you know what I'm saying? So you want it to be facing away from your intake. So it's gonna go in just like this. Boom. Just like that. So you have this open ring. You want the sensor right there. They said they have screws in here. So let's see. We're gonna move all the clamps over there. I think those are the screws. This is the new sensor. We're gonna need all of that. Need that. We'll need that as well. So I'm gonna assume that maybe the black ones go in here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, the black ones do fit. They should have gave me some type of Allen key or something. I don't even think I got none this small, y'all. I hope it's the black ones that go in there. Are these the same size? They look about the same size. One just has a washer on it. So I'm hoping it's that one. So after doing further research, these black ones go with the bracket. The silver ones are the ones that go with this. So let me go ahead and fix this. These go in here just like that. I hope I have something small enough that fits. Chat, if not, hey bro. These shit's gonna be hand tight, I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna install this, then we're gonna jump right into taking off the PCV pipe because there you have to save the clips that's on it. So you're gonna have to break off the actual pipe itself. And I'm gonna jump right to that. You already see this is installed nice and clean. And I'm gonna jump right to that. All right, so now we gotta remove this right here, the PCV that I was talking about. I'm using a T27, I think. I don't think it's the right size. So, hey, it's working though. Boom, set those to the side. Now this should pop right out. Now, the pieces that we need is this and this. So this, let's see if mine will come right off. So chat, I just told y'all the pieces that we needed. I'm gonna go ahead and get these boys off and I'll explain how I did it once I come back. All right, y'all, so basically what I did, I already installed it on the MST provided silicone. I took my heat gun and heated it up, and then I just used my blade, cut a little sliver, peeled it back, and just popped both sides off. And now this is the reinstalled new look for the MST. We're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the heat shield and start installing the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken out, then I'll show you guys me installing a new one. All right, chat, so basically you're gonna take off this 10 and this T30 over here. We'll start with the T30. Hopefully I don't drop this. This might be harder than I thought. Chat, let's try to rig something up real quick. So we just started using an Allen key instead. Didn't have nothing small enough to get in there, but Allen key works just fine. Just don't drop the bolt. And I've dropped a lot, I'm not gonna lie. But that's because I be rushing. I be moving so fast when I be working on my car, cause I love working on my car, but now that I do content, I don't want to drag it out to the point where y'all get bored of me, you know what I'm saying, doing an uninstall and everything like that. so I be rushing. So if y'all see me out of breath, that's because I be running back into the garage, trying to hurry up and shit. And hopefully my camera doesn't die. It's probably about to die right now, but I have some extra batteries that's been sitting on a charger. So if y'all see the video cut out, I apologize. Sony's batteries suck. If y'all don't know, I have a Sony ZV-10 and the batteries suck. They're really bad. 10 mil. Heat shield is off. Now we're gonna install the new one, but I gotta change my battery first. I'll be back. Chat, we are on crunch time. Got the camera back rolling, it's at 20%. Boom, heat shield is installed. It's not completely tightened all the way down. This is already put together. I'll put this together just like this, and then you're gonna slide it right in, and then you're gonna connect this to the pipe that's down there, leave this pointing upwards along with this, and this is gonna slide right through the hole, all right? So I'm gonna get that situated and everything plugged in, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, we're rushing. You see the product. I went ahead and installed the filter and the inlet tube to the one that goes to the turbo, forgot the name. But now we just gotta install the PCV pipe and the connectors. And once we do that, I'll show you guys the finished product. You'll get a startup video and we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys in a second. The craziest thing just happened. Somebody just dropped off a package and then they was like, "You got a YouTube?" I was like, "Yeah." And they started asking what I was doing, and we just got another subscriber, chat, while working on the car, man. That's lit, bro. That's lit. But chat, back to the car, man. Look, that ain't got me feeling good, but basically we had to cut this little PVC pipe a little bit. It was a little bit too long. I think I cut it a little bit too short because you see this little lip right here, but it's all right because the hose goes all the way back here. You know what I'm saying? So we want more on this to make sure that's flat, and then we can clamp it right there, and it'll still be fine. There is no bolts to put back, so we're gonna connect all the harnesses, connect all the sensors and everything back. And once we get done with that, chat, you guys will see the final product, and you guys will get a startup video. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm gonna put everything back, and let's see the final product. All right, chat, the install is finally done, man. I'm excited to hear what it sounds like. Give you guys a quick look. That is the filter right there. All the hoses and clamps are, everything's tight. It looks way better in my opinion. We don't got that big box over there, man. So this looks way better than it did before. I'm just excited to really hear what the car sounds like, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the vehicle. I'm gonna give you guys an inside, outside POV, small revs, and let's see how it sounds. Let's go. Oh man, chat, hopefully the video is clear, hopefully everything is good, but the camera ended up dying. It's over there. It died in the middle of the outro, bro. But I was just saying, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, man. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe as well. Turn on the bell, you know what I'm saying, so you don't miss another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I did enjoy working on it. I'm glad that I got to add my first mod to the car, you know what I'm saying, performance mod at that. So this is only the beginning, chat. We got a lot more to go. We got a lot more videos on the way, man. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and it's gonna be on top real soon. I'm see y'all in the next one, man. We gone.